All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the pre-market prep. It's Money Monday, and I've got my Joe Rogan. I be getting lucrative, the official shirt of Money Monday. Welcome back, everyone. As always, drop questions in chat wherever you are, whether that be YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Drop your questions in. Great morning. I mean, listen, we will see what happens, but nice to see. I mean, whether or not Moderna actually has a vaccine that's 95% effective, time will tell. But I tell you, it's just nice to see, progress. Okay. I don't know if it's 95% effective. I don't know if it's funny. I like how they beat Pfizer by 5%. They're like, hey, almost reminds me of like penny stocks, even though we're talking like real companies here. Pfizer's is 90% effective. Ours is 95% effective. So then next Monday, someone's going to have a vaccine that's 99% effective, and then we'll keep going. But anyway, that being said, market gapping up, man, would not surprise me to see all-time highs today. We're only a couple points behind, and it's a wild time to be alive, great time to be trading, and let's get to some questions. HPR. Start out with HPR. What do we got here? Let me switch to my 5-minute charts. Let me get a 1-year chart here. Man, number one, it's an NYSE stock. Not that that's a bash, but, little more boring typically, and not in love with this chart at all, okay? I mean, this is the thing, like, the charts we look for are like flip this chart left to right, which I could probably do. Well, anyway, we like to see stocks that are, lower left to upper right. This is basically the exact opposite of what we look for, because there's just so much overhead resistance, so many bag holders, okay? Now, as always, I'm not bashing this. I'm not saying it can't go anywhere. It's just not HPV, NYSE, big board, stock, boring, and an ugly bag holder chart. So I'll leave it at that. Let's take a look. Target. Let you guys talk about Target. I think Target's got our Target earnings out or coming. I always highly recommend, about the only recommended follow on Twitter. Twitter is a dumpster fire. Okay, avoid it at all cost. But the one account I do recommend following is eWhispers. I tell you, again, at some point I need to meet the people behind this site, because it's such amazing information. I mean, it's a simple thing. I want to be clear. It's not like, it's just a simple thing. During earnings season, I mean, I love the way they lay it out with the logos, with the charts. And anyway, twitter.com/eWhispers. Don't follow anyone else. Don't even follow me. All I do is post sarcastic stuff anyway. So, but anyway, Target, Wednesday morning earnings. It probably breaks out into earnings. Just always sell before earnings. Remember Palantir, PLTR, one of our favorite stocks. Look what happens when you hold into earnings. And I begged and begged you guys to sell before earnings. Same with Target. CBAT. Oh, CBAT was so beautiful. So if you were here Monday, Friday. It's Money Monday. Friday on the daily briefing. So remember, the daily briefing is over on my personal Instagram. We talked about that $7 break on CBAT. And, I mean, it was shaky into the close, but then broke that level again this morning and then rocked out. And then we talked about it in pre, too, didn't we? Yep. So remember, 8:34 a.m. last Friday on the pre-market prep, CBAT totally in dip and rip over 625 with risk on 6. Same idea this morning. So dip and rip early, VWAP hold high day break later. Top 5 favorite patterns. You should know them well if you're here every day. CBAT, dip and rip early, VWAP hold late. Yeah, I know. I mean, all your coronavirus plays are going to be back. So, nice, INO. Guess what? I mean, it's the same thing. Would love to see that. Whoops. Hold on. I got the wrong screenshot. Where'd it go? There we go. Maximize. So, we got a breakout of that 1250 level right here, which is also, I mean, I know VWAP's roughly 13. So what we'd like to see is that hugging action we talk about every day. And then that afternoon break back above pre-market highs. We want to see that consolidation. We want to know that buyers are in control. So, and now keep in mind, you got to watch mRNA too. And when I say MR, just keep your chart up of mRNA, because these virus plays are going to follow, Big Daddy. Okay. Today in the virus space, the 800-pound gorilla is mRNA. They're all going to follow that. But as long as mRNA stays green, maybe goes high sideways, maybe perks, would love that late day VWAP hold on INO. This was one of the best coronavirus plays back, back in the spring and summer. So, plug. If you guys are on the weekend watch list, I was very bullish EV plays. Speaking of FUV high day, F-cell high day, Bloom high day, all battery related. F-cell, FUV, Bloom, they're all on the high day, baby, right there. Now, my only thing I would say is I would be a little concerned that the virus plays may steal a little bit of thunder from the EV plays. So today, now I'm just talking today, I would probably, if you're trying to keep your watch list under a manageable size, I would probably steer more towards the virus stuff, because I just think that's where that's where the herd is going. That's where everybody's going to be going. Now, just like I said in the weekend watch list, if you were on it, why not? It's free, okay? I put out... I won't do the rant. Anyway, stocksandtrade.com/watch list. I told you, look for VWAP holds and breakouts on Plug, NIO, LI, Solo, and CBAT. I was gonna make a bad Dumb and Dumber Seabass joke, but I won't. I derailed the dad joke of making a Seabass joke. So NIO, FUV, EV play, relatively low float, dip and rip all day long. So, I tell you what, guys, I love this, that you're all focused. I mean, the beauty is, I don't have a ton of tickers. I love it. I love it when you guys, those of you that are here every day, the only time I get like ornery is like when we've got a hot sector. You know, we got virus plays and EVs, and then someone comes on and starts bringing up weed stocks. You know, like today would be the perfect day to me just completely to go off the rails on somebody bringing up weed stocks. So what I'm saying is, thank you, everyone. Everyone's talking virus plays and EV plays. It shows you that you're focused on the right sectors. You're focused on the best opportunities, not weed stocks. Okay. How are you? I am great. I am awesome. Thank you for asking. It's Money Monday. Market's gapping up. We got good coronavirus news. It's the greatest time in history, etc. So how can we get the watch list? StocksToTrade.com/watch list. It's free and it's an email. I'm just looking for new tickers. I need to go to the dentist. Can you please do NIO? I went over NIO. Good luck at the dentist. I think I got everything, man. IDEX. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up on IDEX, but again, guys, it's the focus, in my opinion, the CBATs, INO, all the EV plays, which includes NIO. Which, if I flip-flopped NIO and INO, I apologize. So EVs and virus plays, IDEX is what are these guys? I can't finish on a stinker like IDEX. One and done chart, tons of overhead resistance, not the hot sector. I got to do one more. Give me one more. I can't finish on IDEX. Ignore. DraftKings. What's DraftKings do? I'll finish on DraftKings. Week open red to green. Not ideal. Come on, give me something better. I want something better. ATHE. All right, let's finish on a low floater. There we go. All right. 20 million float. Another terrible chart. I don't want to finish on ATHE either. Neurodegenerative. I mean, again, not hot sector. G-Tech. Ooh, man, G-Tech just hanging around. So this is, I'll finish on G-Tech. This is straight out of the ebook. Top 5 favorite pattern, break of previous day's highs on a junk low float squeeze stock. So if you got the ebook, this is that junk stock that holds up all week and then breaks the previous day's highs. So I would set an alert at probably 725. And then probably risk a 7 fail straight out of the ebook. So, all right, everyone, have a great day. Again, thank you. I know we didn't talk about a million tickers, but it's quality, not quantity. And I really love that 90% were EVs and coronavirus. I think that's where you should be focused until the market shifts, especially for today. I will see you over at my personal Instagram at @tbohen. Let me spell that right. Remember, I only have one account. No other accounts, no underscores, no dashes, no periods, no numerals, nothing. I have one account. Everything else is a scam. And I'll see you over there at noon for the daily briefing. Have a great day, my friends. Looking good, man. I'm excited for the day. Hope everyone has a great day and get fired up, man. Woo! Yeah, let's get some.